Alves was born in Juazeiro, state of Bahia in Brazil on May 6, 1983. He was born into a poor family to his father Domingos Alves de Silva and his mother Dona Lucia. His father was a farmer, whilst his mother was a housewife. Alves has a brother Ney Alves. The 40-year-old has been married twice. He married his first wife Denora Santana in 2008, after they first started dating on New Year's Day in 2005. The marriage lasted just 3 years and they went their separate ways and divorced in 2011. The reason behind the divorce to date has not been revealed, but at the time there were rumors Alves had flirted with Brazilian soap actress Thaisa Carvalho. After a decade-long separation, Alves remarried in a discreet Ibiza ceremony to Spanish model Joana Sanz in 2017. Following his admission of having sex with the women in his assault case, Sanz declared in 2023 that she would be divorcing Alves. He played football with the neighboring kids. Daniel Alves, born May 6, 1983, is a Brazilian former professional footballer who played as a right-back. Widely considered one of the greatest fullbacks of all time, Alves is the most decorated player in the history of professional football, with 43 senior titles. Starting his career at Bahia in 2001, Alves had a successful 6-year spell with Sevilla, winning 2 UEFA Cups and the Copa del Rey. In 2021, he went back to Barcelona. He signed with the Mexican team UNAM in 2022, however, after Alves was arrested in Spain and charges of sexual assault were brought against him, UNAM terminated his contract in 2023. On January 20, 2023, Alves was arrested by Catalan police and remanded in custody without bail on charges of sexual assault. The alleged assault occurred at a Barcelona nightclub on 30 December 2022. The complainant had filed an official complaint on January 2, 2023. The complainant alleged to police and in court that after a waiter led her to meet Alves at the nightclub's VIP area, Alves twice made her touch his penis against her will, then ordered her to follow him into the nightclub's bathroom, prevented her from leaving the bathroom, threw her onto the ground, slapped her, tried to force her to fellate him, put her against the sink, then moved her to the toilet, raped her and ejaculated. According to El Periodico, semen that matched Alves' DNA was collected from samples from inside the complainant's vagina, from her underwear, from her dress, and from the bathroom floor. The complainant was documented by a hospital to have suffered a knee injury consistent with her allegations, and investigators found 7 fingerprints around the bathroom that matched the complainant's account of events, with the complainant giving her account without knowing that investigators had such evidence. At least 5 different accounts of the incident have been provided by Alves. Alves claimed in the first version of the story that he did not know the woman and that she was attempting to gain notoriety by making the allegation, according to media outlet Antena 3. Surveillance footage refuted his claim that he went into the bathroom without realizing she was already there using it. Alves altered his testimony in court after realizing that there was evidence gathered against him, including the account mentioned above. In the second version, Alves admitted that he had entered the bathroom first before the woman, and that inside the bathroom, he had defecated in the toilet with the woman beside him, and nothing sexual occurred. When Alves was questioned on why the woman would remain in the small bathroom with him for 15 minutes doing nothing, or why his semen had been found on the bathroom floor, Alves changed his story again. In the third version, he said that the woman had performed fellatio on him in the bathroom. On April 17, 2023, Alves testified in court to a different version of events, claiming that he had consensual sexual intercourse with the woman during the incident. Alves also said that he earlier denied the sexual activity because he wanted to save his marriage. By February 2023, at least 8 witnesses provided testimony, and it was reported that the crime could receive prosecution through Spain's recently passed 2022 consensual sex law, which expanded the legal definition of sexual assault in Spain. In his 5th version, which was detailed by El Periodico on January 17, 2024, Alves claimed he was severely impaired by alcohol consumption. On February 22, 2024, Alves was found guilty of rape and was sentenced to 4.5 years in prison. The 40-year-old was ordered to pay €9,000, £7,700, for physical damage to the victim and offered to pay compensation of €150,000, which the court considered an attenuating circumstance when passing sentence. He will be under legal supervision for a further 5 years, as well as having a restraining order banning him from contact with the victim for 9 years and 6 months.